Welcome to our channel Herbology Haven, where we explore the wonders of nature's best-kept secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the most beloved spices in the world, cinnamon. From its rich history to its incredible health benefits, cinnamon is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a superfood that can transform your health. Cinnamon comes from the inner bark of trees in the cinnamomum family. After harvesting, the bark naturally curls into those familiar cinnamon sticks, also known as quills. Ground cinnamon is made by grinding these sticks into a fine powder. You'll find cinnamon in everything from sweet desserts to savory dishes. But did you know it also holds a special place in traditional medicine? Cinnamon's story goes back thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, it was used for embalming and perfume making, while in medieval Europe, it was a symbol of wealth. Once more valuable than gold, this spice has spiced up everything from food to medicine for centuries. There are several types of cinnamon. The most popular are Ceylon, known as true cinnamon, and cassia. Ceylon is sweeter and lighter, while cassia has a stronger, spicier flavor. But watch out. Cassia contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be toxic in large amounts. A teaspoon of cinnamon is packed with powerful antioxidants and essential nutrients like fiber, calcium, and iron. It's a nutritional powerhouse that helps reduce inflammation, supports heart health, and even boosts brain function. One of cinnamon's most well-known health benefits is its ability to regulate blood sugar, making it a helpful supplement for people with type 2 diabetes. Plus, cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for people with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while maintaining levels of good HDL cholesterol. This makes it a heart-healthy spice that can help prevent heart disease. Cinnamon's compounds may help protect neurons and improve motor function, making it a promising aid in preventing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Cinnamon is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it effective against bacteria, fungi, and even viruses. This makes it a valuable addition to remedies for infections and the common cold. Trying to lose weight? Cinnamon can help with that too. It boosts metabolism and controls appetite. Add it to your morning oatmeal or coffee for a flavorful way to kickstart your weight loss journey. Cinnamon has been a staple in both Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's used to warm the body, improve digestion, and even treat respiratory problems. From spicing up your favorite desserts to adding depth to savory stews, cinnamon is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether sweet or savory, it enhances the flavor of any dish it touches. Cinnamon's benefits go beyond the kitchen. Cinnamon essential oil can boost immunity and even improve skin health. Try making your own cinnamon face mask with honey for a natural, glowing complexion. When buying cinnamon, choose Ceylon for its superior flavor and lower coumarin content. For the best quality, opt for organic sticks and grind them fresh when you can. Store ground cinnamon in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. Cinnamon sticks, on the other hand, can last for years if stored properly. As amazing as cinnamon is, it's important to consume it in moderation. Too much cassia cinnamon can cause liver damage due to its high coumarin content. Stick to about 1 teaspoon of cassia per day or opt for more Ceylon. Before we wrap, let's answer some common questions. About cinnamon. Is cinnamon safe to consume daily? Yes, in moderate amounts. Cassia cinnamon should be consumed in lower quantities due to coumarin content. What's the difference between Ceylon and cassia cinnamon? Ceylon is sweeter and lower in coumarin, while cassia is stronger but should be used in moderation. Can cinnamon help with diabetes? Yes, it can help regulate blood sugar levels. How does cinnamon aid in weight loss? It boosts metabolism and helps control appetite. So, whether you're adding it to your breakfast, using it in your skincare routine, or boosting your health with its incredible benefits, cinnamon is truly a superfood that belongs in your pantry. Make sure to stock up on this spice and start incorporating it into your daily routine for a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing health tips and recipes.